Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we've had a parcel arrive from Madam Glam and inside is their brand new rubber base coats. Wait until you see these, they are gorgeous, so pretty. So you do get 15ml in your glass bottles. I am just showing you the ingredients there if anyone wants to have a look over those very quickly. Like Madam Glam gel polishes, these cure for 1 minute in an LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV light. They're vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. Amazing for anyone that's got allergies, especially hema allergies. Look at that. With these bottles, you've always got the swatch in the lid and the colour name on the bottom. So that one's called Champagne Toast. This one is called Diamond Bride. Then we've got Pearl Promise, Crystal Vow, and then the last one is my favourite. So this one's called Wedding Veil. Oh, wait until you see that. They're all really, really pretty, but that one even more so. So we are going to give them a swatch to start with. So this one's called Crystal Vow. Now, while we are swatching them, I do just want to give you a little bit of info about rubber base coats. So most base coats have a low viscosity because they're purely there to form a good bond between the natural nail and gel polish. It's also used to prevent any staining on the natural nail from highly pigmented gel polishes, and it makes your gel polish last longer. Now, these base coats that have a higher viscosity are often formatted to do a specific job, and that is where a rubber base coat comes in. Rubber base coats, despite their name, do not contain rubber. They're termed so because of the adhesive, flexible and strong nature of the product. So rubber base coats are great for uneven, thin, flexible, damaged nails because it bends and flexes with the natural nail, preventing the natural nail from breaking. So rubber base coats are a thicker consistency than a normal base coat, and that thicker texture allows great protection and strength to a natural nail. It also provides stronger adhesion and a much more even surface. That thicker texture also allows you to quickly add volume and structure to a natural nail. Unlike, say, for instance, a builder gel, you can't build extensions with these because they are too flexible. So anyone that has got thin, damaged nails, it's not good for you to have super long extensions anyway. It's best for you to have like a natural overlay done with a rubber base coat. So that's what they look like all swatch, guys. That's what they look like, both shiny and matte. Aren't they pretty? They're proper giving me wedding nail vibes, every single one of them. But that wedding veil, oh, it's so pretty. I think a couple of them, like Champagne Toast, and I think that wedding veil as well has got reflective glitter in it. I don't know whether it's reflective or just super glittery. Can you see in that wedding veil, look, can you see the little flakies in there? They're like Aurora flakies. I do wish there was more. There's another one there, look as well. I do wish there was more of them in it. I don't know whether I didn't shake the bottle enough or whether there is only the odd little ones scattered about, I don't know. But them shards are beautiful. So now I just want to show you doing a little one nail tutorial. I just want to show you something you can do with these rubber bases rather than just using them as like a one cover, full cover colour. So I want to do like a bit of a shimmery Babyboomer. So now I'm going to go in with the Champagne Toast on the top half. And guys, because these are glittery and shimmery, they're so easy to ombre together. Look at that. So I'm going to give that a cure. And then we're just going to do the same again. So we're just going in with that Pearl Promise again on the bottom half of the tip. And then the Champagne Toast on the top half. And I'm just building the colour up. Obviously, if you was doing this on a natural coloured nail, you wouldn't need as many coats. But being on a clear tip, obviously, I just need to build the colour up. So I'm just going to go in with a detailer brush. Just make sure it's all blended in nicely. There's no harsh lines. Just like that. Then I'm going to flip it upside down and stick it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now we're going to give it a coat of Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And then I'll cure that for 30 seconds and then we'll have a look at it. And that's what it looks like all done. That is really cute, isn't it? It's really, really subtle Babyboomer. I really like it. Again, it's giving me proper wedding nail vibes. Imagine that as a background colour and then some crystals, a really beautiful crystal design over the top of it. Or you could do some nail art over the top, or even just all the nails like that with nothing over the top of them. Proper giving me wedding nail vibes. I think that's really, really pretty. I really like it. So yeah, you can ombre these, you can use them as toppers over different colours. If you use them over different background colours, you're going to get a different effect. I really like them. Right guys, now I'm going to tell you a little bit about rubber base coats, but I'm going to show you products that are similar but have different uses. And I'm going to show you this by doing a demonstration. So I've added a little bit of the rubber base coat to the back of a paper form, cured it. I'm now adding a little bit of just a normal, regular gel base coat. And then we'll give that a cure in the lamp. So I don't know whether you can see, but this normal base coat has got a much runnier consistency. So this is a clear builder gel, so it's a hard gel in a pot. So a builder gel has got quite a thick consistency, especially compared to the normal base coat. Give that a cure. And then lastly, this is a builder gel in a bottle. So a builder in a bottle, but I haven't got a Madam Glam one, so I've had to use a different brand. But it doesn't matter, it's the exact same thing. So I'm going to give that a cure. So I've wiped the tacky layer off all of these. Now this is the rubber base coat. Can you see it is super flexible, super bendy. And like I said earlier, that is why it has got the name rubber base coat. And this is what we need in a rubber base coat. So this one is a normal base coat. Again, it is flexible, as you can see, but it's nowhere near as bouncy as the rubber base coat. So although rubber base coats are an amazing product, they're not beneficial to everybody, because there's no point putting a flexible base on a strong rigid nail plate. So people that have got strong rigid nail plates, a normal base coat would be more beneficial to you. So now we're on to the builder gel in a pot. Again, you can see it is slightly flexible compared to, say, acrylic, but it's nowhere near as flexible as a base coat. A lot stronger than a base coat, which makes it an ideal product to build nail extensions from. So I just want to take a look at this normal base coat again. I just want to keep bending this a couple of times just to see what this does. As you can see, it will start to rip after a few times of bending it. Now, I've had to speed this bit up, guys, because I was bending it that many times. The video was getting so long. Look how many times I'm bending this backwards and forwards. It's not breaking. It's not snapping. It's not ripping. It is so strong. Look at that. Just like rubber. And that is why it's got the name rubber base coat. So finally, we're going to have a look at the builder in a bottle. Now, this was that strong, guys. I was really struggling to bend it. Can you see? It's so strong. I think I only managed to bend it twice. Listen. Yeah. Did you hear that? Snapped. That was such a stiff product. I'll just show you again with this little bit. We're going to bend it and snap. So anyone with thin, weak, bendy nails, I suggest a natural overlay done with the rubber base coat. And especially even more so now they've got loads of different colours out there. So I hope you found that useful. So let's look at the swatches again one last time. They are all really pretty, aren't they? They're definitely giving me like wedding nail vibes. But you could use them on any nail design, really. They're quite neutral tones, aren't they? But yeah, they're really pretty. That wedding veil is definitely my favourite. That is really pretty. So like I said earlier, guys, these are already on the Madam Glam website. They're available to purchase right now. You can buy them as a whole set, or you can buy the individual colours as well. If you do decide to place an order, don't forget I have got a massive 35% off discount code. So don't forget to pop GG35 in at checkout, and that will take 35% off your whole order. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.